Question 5. The number of rounds of golf played by each golfer of an amateur golf association is shown in the chart below. What is the average number of rounds played by each golfer? Express your answer to the nearest whole number. Now, average can be an awful lot of things. We have different words to describe average. I'll bring this picture back in a minute, but let's just think about average. Average can mean the median, which is the middle. When we're talking about average, we often mean the mean, and that's the mathematical middle. And then we've got something called the mode, which means most. Now, to tackle this question, I actually started by using this, when in fact, this would give me a quicker answer. So I'm going to show you the painful way first, and then I'm going to show you how I use the median to work it out. So the painful way was to use the table, was to use a table to go from the graph. So what we've got on that graph is we've got 1 round of golf played, one round of golf, up to 5 rounds of golf. And then how many dots do we have here? Well, we have 5 that played 1 round, is the number of rounds. And these are golfers. 5, 2, 2, here and here, 3, and 5 just here. In order to work out the arithmetic mean, arithmetic is the mathematical middle, different ways. I'm not happy with that as an explanation, but let's keep going. 1 multiplied by 5 equals 5. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. When I add up to find the total number of golfers, I get 17. When I add up to get the total number of rounds played, I get 52. And the mean is calculated by taking the 52 and dividing it by 17. Now, without a calculator, that's a tricky calculation to do, but what I then did was write my 17 times table down here. 17, 34, 51. 51 is very close to 52. So to the nearest whole number, we'd be looking at 3. So the answer is 3 rounds. However, as I say, there is an easier way to look at this. The median, the middle number, is if we counted from either end and we counted in to the number that's the middle. We now know that there are, 17 golfers. So half the middle of those 17, is 8, the 9th person. So if we count from this end and we count to the 9th person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, the 9th person is here. Whether you count from this end or this end, the 9th person is going to be the 3. And therefore, you can just look at that question and go, right, it's the middle person, it's the 9th person, it's 3. You can also see that there's a sort of curve going on here and it's balanced. If the data was sort of mostly this end, you couldn't just look at it and go 3's in the middle. It's as I say, the formal way, if you were asked for the mean, would be to do this calculation. But in reality, the median, the middle number, it's the 14th golfer. When the data is ordered in numerical ascending order, it's the 14th. It's not the 17th golfer at all. It's the 9th golfer. It's the 9th golfer. It's the middle golfer of the list. Then that's the way it would be.